Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you guys what I have here. It is the Decor Rose 6-packs of succulent plants. So I'm going to show you guys what this is. I'm so excited for this. I'm going to put these around here. I think these are just pretend plants, but succulents always look pretend anyways. But let's see what we got here. These are cool. Okay, I remember ordering them. So check out that. Look at that. It's like a little dude sitting down. Put that right there. You guys can see it. It's in like a, I don't know, what is it? Like a plastic kind of a thing. You can see it's got a hole in the bottom here. Check out this one here, this little succulent here. This one here is like a little, this one's a little dirty. I'm gonna have to clean that one up a little bit, but it's a little dude sitting down that way. We have this guy here doing his little sitting crisscross. We have, oh, look at this guy here sitting there just chilling. We have, oh, another kind of crisscross guy holding his hands over his face, and here's another guy sitting down here. So they're a little different from, oh, you can't even see them all. They're a little different from each other. Like, see, these guys are both like sitting down, but one has crossed legs and one has straight legs. And so we have 3 dark guys and 3 light guys. And we have, oh, I don't know what I have, a broken bottle. We have all these little stickers to put on to make them have faces. How cool is this? This is gonna be an awesome little project. I'm gonna actually stick this into our craft room, but let me do one of these first. So let's see, which one should I do? I'll do this little white guy right here. This one here, we're gonna do this guy. So let's see, look at all these different choices of eyes and things that we have for him. What do I want? He's kind of putting his hand up here. I'm gonna give him a, let's see, should it be a boy or a girl? I'm gonna make this one like a boyish looking one. So we'll use these eyes and mouth that are right here. If I can get the stickers off. So let's see, how do we do this? Here we go. Oh, they're individual. Everything's individual. So we're gonna have to put these eyes on all individually. Let's see, so we'll put an eye up there. So there's one eye. Here's another eye. Let's see, this one here. Let's put that right there. It's funny, one eye's kind of got to swirl up, one's got to swirl down, so. And then we got a squiggly little mouth, so we'll put this one on here. So it'll kind of all match, because he's kind of squiggly weird. So we'll put that down. Let's see, how long is that? Right there. So there we go. So I just need to clean him up a little bit. Look, now he's got a face. How awesome. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. And look, you have all these different faces to put on there. So you probably have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 30 faces for 6 guys. So you can do them all 5 different times. So I'm good at math. But there we go. So these are cool. I'm gonna say these are awesome. Thumbs up from me on these. And be sure to pick some of these up. They're so cool.